Hi everyone. Today I'm going to check the automatic transmission fluid level in the SLK 230 compressor. I have a dipstick and that's the information on there for you. This is specifically for this size engine, and I'll just show you the end of it. It has two different levels on it. There's a sort of cold level and a hot level. So you can see it on here. So we have 25 degrees and 80 degrees. The 80 degree one is the really important one here, because it's when the oil is up to temperature, it's expanded properly to fill the space, and that's when we should really be checking it. So it should be between those two levels when the engine's hot. At the moment the engine's cold. I'm going to check it with it cold just to see if it appears in those 25 degree areas, and then I'm going to run the engine. I'm actually going to take the car for a drive, probably 15 minutes or so, make sure it cycles through all the gears, park it on the flat again, and then take that measurement for a second time. So let's just do it the first time. Right, this is the dipstick cover. You can see this weird red plastic bit. This is actually broken. This is a little tab that you pull up to release it, to allow you to be able to pull it off. It is snapped in mine. But beware, if it's snapped off, you do need to get it out. You can get a little screwdriver under there to do it. If I pull this off, there we go, it's come off there. And that's now available for the dipstick. Right, so let's get the dipstick out. And we'll pop it in the hole. See if I can stop this thing getting contaminated. It's about sort of 2 feet of this. Oh, actually it's a really long one. Okay, so that's bottomed out, the bottom of the hole. Back out. Let's just get a bit of rag. The other thing you can do is check the consistency of this. Oh, okay. Well, this is absolutely caked in it. Well, it's a red colour, that's quite nice. There's a bit of a browniness in there. No gritty feeling anyway, but this dipstick is obviously completely the wrong one, because it's bottomed out and got completely covered in. Okay, that gave me an absolutely huge reading. So I'm now going to run the car, get it up to temperature, and I'll take it with it running as you're supposed to see if it's anywhere on the measurements. So let's run the car for 15 minutes and keep it running. Okay, engine's running, we're in park. Just gonna take off the cap. Some stuff with my dipstick out. Oh, okay, that looks to be dry above here. It looks like it's at the top of the 80 scale. You can see there's scales in there. It's quite hard to read, but there you go, you can see the markings. Pop this back in and do it again. Obviously the more you do this, the more oil you'll get on the tube. So there you go, that's in, back out. Yeah, there's nothing up here. Looking good, looks about right. Interesting how the level is way up high when it's way up high when it's cold and not running, but it drops down when it's running. I guess it drops even lower when it's cold. Obviously I've run this so it's hot. But yeah, there we go. Hope that was helpful. If it Hope that was helpful. If it was, then give it a like and stick a comment in the chat if you've got any questions. Take care, guys. Bye bye.